Hey, hi, I'm CJ, and welcome to Wild Money Entertainments. And today I'm gonna unpackage. Let me see. I wanna use my knife, even though I promised to keep it away from packages. So I'm just gonna open it delicately, though. Okay, delicately, so I don't rip anything. Let's start with this one. Okay, just take it a little bit and slice it. Put it down. And let's see what it is. Lucky thing I took my time. It is charging cords. Now, I know you're saying, how many charging cords do you need? Well, these are basic micro USB cords. And I'm gonna do a basket soon, a giveaway. So I figure, let me get some, and then I can maybe give them away. And look how nice they really are. Look at these, look at these. These are going to be a giveaway. Yes, they are. These are micro USB. They can be used in BlackBerry. And I'm going to put down what phones they can be used in. However, they can also charge power bars. They can be used for anything that takes a USB micro. And they're very flexible. They're very bendable. Let me show you up close. It's got a little hard plastic, so when you're bending it back and forth, it doesn't snap off here. Okay? And like I said, they're pretty and they're able to twist. Really easy and bendable. Besides that, they're nice looking. But all of that does not matter if it doesn't function right. So if it does function like it said it does and charges very quickly, then you will know, because I will put that in the description below. And that is going to be okay. These are some micro USB cable in dark blue. And let's open it up and see how it looks inside. Okay. This came in a pack of 3. This is a USB micro. You can see that here. As the reinforcement at the edge here. These are, just like the rest of them, been showing you, tangled free. So they can't tangle. They're easy twist. And they come right back to shape. These comes in a pack of 3. They're 10 foot, so it's able to reach. You can use this for BlackBerry. You can use this for MP3, PS4, Xbox One. These are multiple cords. What I do like about this one is that it comes with this Velcro. And it peels off. And then this way you can get rid of this and just Velcro them. Good for traveling. And you can just Velcro them together. So, this is another set of micro USB cords.